Hello, good morning po. Today is February 6, 2025, Thursday. We will be having the bidding of three city works projects. For the roll call, we have Engineer Mabel Olano, back provisional member. Engineer William Murdo, back vice chairman. Engineer Arlene Cabanto, back PWG head. Yours truly, back member, Kurt Sanga. Engineer Manolito Atienza, back PWG member. Engineer Chris Jericho Canlas, back PWG. And we have as one of our leaders, our interested leaders, Sir Gerardo Alviento from Ford Construction Corporation, being acknowledged, sir. Today we have our quorum, and we may now proceed with the bidding process.
For the first project, 25 CD 0062, preventive maintenance secondary roads Roman Expressway, kilometer 131 plus 530 to kilometer 132 to kilometer 132, Bataan 2nd District. Approved budget for the contract is 37,240,000 for contract duration of 93 calendar days.
So for 25 CD 0062 project, we have two bidders. Number one is Orani Construction and Supply Corporation, Work Experience Pass, NFCC Pass. For our first bidder, technical envelope, bid security, bid securing declaration, omnibus form statement, organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment.
Pass.
For financial envelope, bid form, summary of bid price, bill of quantities, detailed estimate, cash flow.
Pass.
Bid amount, 36,454,530 pesos and 63 centavos. 93 calendar days. So for the second bidder, we have 4D Construction Corporation, Work Experience Pass, and FCC Pass. For our second bidder, technical envelope, bid security, bid securing declaration, organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment, omnibus form statement.
Pass.
For financial envelope, bid form, bill of quantities, summary of bid price, detailed estimate, cash flow.
Pass.
Bid amount, 36,376,496 pesos and 14 centavos. 93 calendar days.
No. For the second project, 25 CD 0063, rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse, and landslide secondary roads, Roman Expressway, kilometer 132 plus 185, kilometer 132 plus 280, Bataan 2nd District. Approved budget for the contract is 6,859,874.57. Total duration is 117 calendar days.
Hello. Yeah.
Okay, for the 25 CB 0063 project, we have three bidders. The first bidder is De Jesus Construction, Work Experience Pass, NFCC Pass.
For our first bidder, technical envelope, bid security, bid securing declaration, omnibus sworn statement, organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment.
Pass.
For financial envelope, bid form, bill of quantities, summary of bid price, detailed estimate, cash flow,
Pass.
bid amount, 6,689,064 pesos and 9 centavos. 117 calendar days.
Okay, the next bidder, second, RBM Construction, Work Experience Pass, NFCC failed due to no 2023 financial statement. So since no attachment, no 2023 financial, they have to uh, request motion for this. So pwede naman siya mag-submit, mag-comply para dito. And then the next bidder, ER Benson Construction, Work Experience Pass, NFCC Pass.
For the next bidder, technical envelope, bid security, bid securing declaration, omnibus sworn statement, organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment.
Pass.
For financial envelope, bid form, bill of quantities, summary of bid price, detailed estimate, cash flow,
Pass.
bid amount, 6,700,723 pesos and 87 centavos. 117 calendar days.
Last project, 25 CB 0068, road widening secondary roads, Roman Expressway, kilometer 135 plus 745 to kilometer 135 plus 759, kilometer 138 plus 100 to kilometer 138 plus 120, and kilometer 141 plus 902 to kilometer 142 plus 692, Bataan Second District. Approved budget for the contract is 54,040,000 pesos. Total parts duration is 197 calendar days.
So for the 25 CB 0068, we have two bidders. The first bidder is Cyprian Builders and Trading, joint venture with Blackwell Construction Development Corporation. Work Experience Pass, NFCC failed due to NFCC is less than the ABC. So it is considered failed. Second bidder, Supreme Builders, Construction and Trading, Work Experience Pass, NFCC Pass.
Last bidder, technical envelope, bid security, bid securing declaration, organizational chart, list of key personnel, list of equipment, omnibus sworn statement.
Pass.
For financial envelope, bid form, Bill of quantities, summary of bid price, detailed estimate, cash flow.
Fast.
Bid amount, 52,667,434 pesos and 43 centavos. 197 calendar days. Ito po.
Having completed the opening of bids of the three civil works projects, bidders will be subjected to bid evaluation and post qualification. Thank you very much.